To activate night mode on your Windows 10, all you need to do is go to your settings. Click on Display, and toggle on Night Light. You can even schedule it to turn on automatically at sunset or a specific time that suits you. It's that simple. And trust me, the benefits are immediate. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll start to notice an improvement in your sleep quality within just a few nights. So, if you haven't already, I highly recommend activating night mode on your Windows 10. It's a simple change that can make a huge difference to your eye health and sleep quality. And if you're already using night mode, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below.